lot of you may be feeling lost as to what pathway or direction you want to take. Some of you may think you already know what that pathway is, but I'm here to tell you that that may change.
Today we came to MakerFest just to really be involved in different careers that we can do outside of high school.
You get exposed to a lot of different opportunities that you didn't know were out there.
Lima is a place where you can be close to family, still have a good job, a good career, and make a good living.
You don't just have to focus on one thing. There's everything here. I laid brick over there with that guy. That was pretty cool. And then I learned about like finances and bank accounts and stuff like that.
My favorite booth that I seen today was the UA Local 776. They had a simulator where you got to do a weld and it graded you.
I lived in Columbus for 5 years. I really enjoyed it. It was a great time. But I did like the peace and quiet that comes with living around here, and there are a ton of opportunities. I had interned with Nutrien throughout my time in college, and they offered me a job when I got out, and I've been there ever since. And I think it's just great that you guys have an awareness of the opportunities that are in your backyard.
I think it was really cool, seeing the different careers that you could engage in, especially with the hands-on things.
It can give you great opportunities in different jobs and experience different things.
It'll help me so I know what to look for.
I wish we had something like this when I was your age. I have an older brother, helped me kind of guide through where do I want to be after school, what do I want to do for a career. And so I think this is a great opportunity for everybody that might not have that guidance to get to see what we have to offer in the area.
I felt like I learned a lot of information about jobs that I didn't know before, and I feel like I have more of a view of jobs that I could do when I'm older.
My favorite thing was the ironworking. Going back there and cutting the iron was pretty cool.
Before this, I was just thinking general medical field, but now I'm leaning more towards the physical therapy, athletic training side of things.
Today, you could find your pathway that leads you right back here to Lima, Ohio, or the Allen County region to give back to your community.